one of the best menu I prepared so far. Hello everyone, it's Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish Food and Travel. It's Thanksgiving time and I have a lot of viewers from the USA and Canada. It's a big event. I know the classic dishes like stuffed turkey, the apple pie, pumpkin pie, beautiful fall ingredients, the cranberry sauce. I watched the other cooking channels like Food Network and NYT Cooking, which is one of my favorites. They are sharing new recipe ideas as well as the classic ones. So I thought, what if I make a dinner with the same classic ingredients, adding Turkish tastes? So here is my menu. We have traditional Ottoman dessert, ekmek kadayıfı. It's type of a bread pudding soaked with syrup and topped with kaymak. And traditionally in Afyonkarahisar they do it with sour cherry sauce. I'm gonna make it with toasted bread and lighten it with a cream on top, then a whipped cream. It's gonna be 3 layers, beginning with bread with a beautiful sour cherry sauce. For the cream, I have 1 egg yolk, adding 6 tablespoons granulated sugar, 1 heaped tablespoons cornstarch and 2.5 heaped tablespoons flour. Going to add 1 liter of whole milk, adding half of it first and whisk vigorously until there is no lump. I'm gonna flavor my pudding with mastic gum. It is optional but gives a beautiful aroma, so if you can find, I would suggest buy and try. Otherwise you can add only vanilla bean or extract or powder. Okay, my pudding is done. Sour cherry syrup is almost done. I just want to boil a bit more. And meanwhile, I'm gonna place my toasted bread. I think I'm gonna make a puzzle because they are broken. The package contains always a bit more, so I usually use another small one here. And my syrup with sour cherry is ready. I'm gonna get the pieces first. When you pour to the breads, it will soften and fit in perfectly. I pitted the cherries and I can pour the pudding now. If you want your pudding to be more silky creamy, you can whisk with a hand mixer for a couple of minutes. I just did it with my whisker for 1-2 minutes. I'm gonna put it into the fridge, let it rest and cover it with whipped cream. Just a quick reminder, my friends, To support the channel, your likes, comments and shares are very important. This way the YouTube algorithm understands that you like the channel. They show you more videos from my channel as well as showing to other people. They count everything, believe me. So you might still like my content but just forgot to give it a like or comment. This way other viewers can see it. The next dish is the piliç topkapı from Ottoman cuisine. I love this dish because you can serve it individually. The beautiful rice stuffing is so delicious with the all spices and herbs. It is classic Ottoman dish. I got my ingredients, the spices, the rice I soaked in salty warm water. And here are my chicken pieces. This is a chicken thigh with skin. Normally when you go to the butcher, they can prepare it. This bone shouldn't be here, but I ordered it from online. I'm gonna take these out. But first, let's wash them. I opened up my chicken pieces. This was more helpful than cutting with the knife because there were too many pieces and it's easier. I'm just gonna season it with some salt, black pepper and olive oil. Marinate at least 1 to 2 hours in the fridge or overnight would be better. For the rice stuffing, I have mix of olive oil and butter in my pan. I'm gonna saute the pine nuts first and then 1 medium-sized onion. My pilau just rested and looks beautiful, smells beautiful. The chicken pieces are marinated for 1 to 2 hours. We are ready to shape. Generously, I'm gonna oil the baking dish so it doesn't stick and bakes well. The skin should be down because when we turn it over, it's gonna be the top. My piliç topkapı is ready to bake in. I preheated the oven to 190 Celsius degree. Just going to add water so it doesn't burn before it releases its water. And after it bakes a little bit, we're gonna make a sauce from tomato paste, water and oil. Brush the tops, the skin. We're gonna do it in halfway. I really love this combination, so delicious. I'm gonna show you a very easy method to make potato puree. After you have your boiled potatoes, it takes only 3 minutes. Okay, my friends, my table is set, so the sun is setting, beautiful. Let me serve one from the Piliç Topkapı and show you inside and taste. Still very hot. I can smell the spices from the pilav. Let me get from everything. It is one of the best menu I made so far. The Piliç Topkapı by itself is very delicious. The potato puree completes it. And then with the fresh arugula and beetroot salad gives a freshness, punginess from the cheese. With all the dishes together, it's like tasting the fall time. What else you can serve if you want to make a big feast? I would suggest instead of pumpkin pie, try pumpkin dessert, which is a traditional dessert we have back from Ottoman times. It has only sugar, water and pumpkin. You serve it with walnuts and kaymak if you like. You can drizzle some tahini. It's one of my favorite desserts during winter time. With beetroot, I have many salad recipes. I did what was on my mind, using the same ingredients to make Turkish style feast with the similar ingredients you use for Thanksgiving. Here is the dessert. The bread base soaked with cherry sauce is very delicious. The whipped cream on top. I hope you try my fall time menu I prepared inspired by traditional Thanksgiving dishes. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Afiyet olsun.